Hello everyone, this is another video on the tools which you can use when you're starting this phone repairing business for the simple setup. So what you need, and to get started with this, you need a laptop which will help you on the software programs, so like softwares you'll be using with good hard disk and a good RAM, which is good so that you can fresh the phones, and it really helps you to do all that job and get done easily. So try and make sure you have a simple laptop. Then you need these rubber bands. These rubber bands helps you on fixing the screen after putting the gum on it so that it can tighten, like letting it to dry. You need this for boosting the batteries for the smaller phones, so you have to use that booster for the laptop and setup as you have seen it. Sometimes it's good to use like i7, i5. It's good, like its RAM, it's very fast and running. So try to have you need these used rubber bands, and they are very cheap to buy. So that means whenever you want them, they are very cheap for everyone to use. Then you need this hot air gun with this nozzle, or we call it a blower, to fix and remove the, like when you're changing the ices. Or what you need is that you need this even Wi-Fi, you need internet to make a research where you're not good at, so that it can help you to fix the phones which you're not like having a good knowledge about it. Then you need a multimeter, you need a gum, which I have told you when you're using rubber bands to fix. You need that brush, it helps you out. Then we have this multimeter. This multimeter helps you to detect any fault within the mobile motherboard. So it helps you to detect the power of a battery. If you don't know how to do that, you can check me on another video on this channel on how you can use this multimeter step by step, though there are very many, but this will help you out so that you can learn and use it properly to detect any fault in the phone. Then the next tool we have this hot air gun. It helps you to fix the charging ports on the small motherboard, or to loop within a phone. Then you need a microscope. This microscope helps you to fix many issues when you have any fault on the motherboard, because it helps you to see small things which you can not see on your own, like changing the ice, reboiling, all of that stuff. So you need it urgently. Then you need this pair of scissors. It really helps you a lot in cutting small things, like you're changing the small board of a battery, many things. You've seen the gun, you really need it. Then you need this solder. We have that one in a bottle. It melts very fast, and that one was sort of a wire. You can use it on a regular basis and for small things. Then here we talk about the softwares. You need to invest your money in the softwares in case of flashing, because these latest phones, they have a way how to flash it. It needs a computer and softwares which are advanced. So you need to buy softwares which you'll be using to flash in your computer. Then we have these charging ports. You need to buy few of them so that you can get started with work. Like some are type C, some are smart, some are like ITEL2160. They have different ports, so you need them. Sometimes we need these surgical braids. They help you in opening a phone, cutting small things, so many things. So you really need it so that you can be helped out and easing the work when you're opening the phone. Sometimes the covers are very hard to open, and this super glue helps you in fixing the broken parts within the phone. So most of the times the phones have the fault, the frames are broken, so it really helps you to fix that. We have this handle, like supports the hot air gun. Sometimes we buy them separately, so we buy the gun separately, so it helps you to keep the gun, not burn things besides you. Then the tools, you have to buy more. These are the simple ones I've tried to show you, but we use many tools to open the phone. Like for iPhone, it's having different tools. For robots, for small phones, so they use different tools, so you have to buy all these toolkit so that it can help you. Then you got this electric screw, though it's kind of expensive, but it helps you. It's having all the set and isn't the work when you're doing this kind of job. So if you have the money, you can invest in that. It's worth buying. Then we have this alcohol. It really helps you on fixing many things, cleaning the board. So for those who don't have the money to buy this, you can use just 1K to buy the petrol. It helps you out. Then you use this glue, this gum. We have the colors and the brack. Sometimes we have the broken frames, you use the brack. To fix the screens in the frame, you use that one. It helps you out. Then we have this magnet. It helps you to magnetize the tools which you're using, and even the nails, to keep them on that magnet so that you don't lose them, like when you're fixing a phone. Then comes this separator. It hits the screen when you're removing the screen from the frame, or you want to separate the screen. You use this heater. It helps you very well. Then we come to this. This tool is very perfect when you like fixing the charging system of any phone. You connect it to this USB and it shows if it's fake charging or charging nicely. So it really helps you a lot when you're checking if it's charging very well or it's fake charging. Sometimes the phones don't charge very well. It helps you out so that you can fix that. The microscope, you need it at any cost. Try to buy the microscope so that you can make the work very fast, and it helps you to make money and get good money when you're fixing all the faults within the motherboard, like the phone has fallen into water. All those you'll be giving a solution. So guys, these are the tools you need to get started and make money through phone repairing. Thank you.